Do you put bread in the fridge? Drop a comment down below. Tell me. Let's talk about this. I want to know if you put bread in the fridge. And if you do, why? Anyways, today I wanted to take a little bit of a detour with our content. Wanted to do some reaction to PC gaming memes, or just gaming memes in general, actually. So I had my friend Wayne, works on the channel with me. You guys may have seen him in some of the videos. Send over some memes for me to check out. I wanted the reaction to be as genuine as possible, so I really didn't want to look at the memes before I sent them over. So yeah, let's react to some gaming memes. All right, so let's have a look at some of these gaming memes and see if there's anything that'll make me laugh. All right, let's see what we got here. So these are probably from Reddit and other sites and stuff like that, but let's have a look at them. The one constant right now, gaming before COVID, gaming during COVID, gaming after COVID. It's the same. It's the same. We're stuck in here. We're in the house. We're gaming. Oh, something's happening out there. Whatever. Back to gaming. When you meet an NPC that isn't considered essential, this is where the fun begins. Here we go again. Crisis Remastered with the coffin dance meme. Perfect. RTX 2080 Ti. Not making it. It's dead. Crisis Remastered is going to be bringing back, but can it run Crisis? To a whole nother level. Ever happened to you? Random 9-year-old standing next to me in public, big old Yoda head. Me, playing some games on my phone, looking down at you. Scrolling down a little bit here, it's always lag. Oh, the other player was better. Lag. Yeah, nope. You never, ever, ever let them know that you're not as good as the other player. You just blame it on something else. That's how the gamers do it. And then follow it up with a keyboard smash. All right, this one. Oh no, playing Call of Duty at the mall without headset. Game saying, bomb has been planted. Security guy. That was pretty good. I like that one. Me, the game I just bought, thinking of buying another one. Yeah, that's how it goes, right? Especially during the Steam sales and stuff. Oh man. The two types of gamers. A console guy playing Halo. Linus staring at his TV a foot away from it while playing Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Nice. True, my mom. Me asking for a $60 game that I'll play for 5 years. My mom. My sister asking for a $200 dress that she's only gonna wear once. Yeah, I guess. I mean, that applies more than just to my mom, obviously, but like, yeah, that's relatable. Gamers rise up. All right, let's see what this one is. Quarantined. Big old comment just coming down. Gaming industry / gaming community. Hey. And the comments like, oh, they don't give a shit. What are the games that help you survive quarantine? What are your tips and tricks to keep your equipment and you fit / healthy now that you spend so much time gaming? When you are desperate to keep your PC cool. You hanging out like frozen stuff off the fan and blowing air at it? Well, that'll work. You gotta stand up, you gotta stretch, cool, let the computer cool off. Oh, that person has Discord open on the screen too. All right, here's another one. I just hate when this happens. When you're spectating your teammate and see that motherfucker, him. I can hear my PC screaming, Crisis Remastered. Kaboom! My PC configuration. Oh no! Just down there. I think there's another way that we can do this one. There, I made it. That's how I would imagine that one too. Moving on down here. I want one. Nobody. Gaming keyboard. Clown show. Well, I can actually say I don't have an RGB gaming keyboard. Mine is just it is a gaming keyboard, I suppose, from EVJ, but it's just red. So it's just R. No RGB. I guess that's okay, right? The rest is purchased. Yeah, this makes sense for Origin. Like, you buy a game and there's your game there at the bottom and you got to get the rest with the DLC. Pay extra. or you don't get all of it. Fucking Origin. I love having no school. People at home going crazy from isolation. Officer Doofy with the vacuum. Me, a gamer. You merely adopted the isolation. I was born in it, molded by it. Yeah. Yeah, it's not just gamers that feel that way too. It's people that work from home. I knew a few people that this is how they feel, exactly like Bane in this part. Seriously, when I see someone streaming PUBG Mobile on a 2080 Ti gaming PC. Yeah. Yeah, what are you doing? Wasting everyone's time, including that graphics card. When neither of you want to use the Mad Catz controller. But look, I had a Mad Catz controller for my Dreamcast a long time ago. And that thing was the best controller on the Dreamcast. If this is how it is now, then man, have they really fallen from grace. They used to make some of the best accessories and components for consoles and all sorts of stuff like that. But I mean, seriously? Quarantine Easter break. Me, last Easter break, playing on computers. Me in quarantine this Easter break. No difference. Are we still waiting? The lockdown won't be that long. The lockdown, Half-Life 3. Oh no. Lockdown for the rest of your life. Evolution, small skinny boy. PlayStation. Military skinny boy, military colored PlayStation, DualShock this time. Captain America, this controller. Cool. Better Captain America. Better DualShock. Okay, even better Captain America, at least newer. DualShock Touch. And then finally that one. Well, that's a meme. This is what I get for getting gaming memes from I guess a more console-focused subreddit or something. It's everyone versus the virus. COVID Watch Origins Edition. It's everyone versus the virus, I guess. Yeah, look at it. She got a mask on and everything. Bonus, PRL DLC. Get that DLC so you don't get sick. A very interesting title. Me, about to play a game. Ooh, 6 gigabyte update. No, this is Call of Duty, like through and through. Modern Warfare, oh my goodness. You don't play that game for a day or two, and the next thing you know, you get slapped with the freaking 20 gig patch. What? And then you think you're done, and then you load the game, and then, now you had to install shaders. You gotta wait again. And then it says, update requires restart. Now you gotta restart the game and get that ear rape in your ears at the very beginning again. God, it's a fun game, but why is it so frustrating to play? It's frustrating with this maintenance of it. Come on. For old time's sake, flowers at the grave, rip, split screen gaming. I don't know how I feel about this one. Gears of War tried to keep this a thing, but I guess Gears of War didn't really remain as relevant as it could have been, or it should have been. Oh well. This was me yesterday, when your best friend is mad at you, but it's 3 a.m. and he's the only one online. You still mad? Invite. Now, let's do this. When a guy kills you, but he gets sniped in the kill cam. I love seeing that. That's almost as good as revenge. Almost. Classic. Finally, some free time to play a game. Parking lot. Parking spot open. Get closer and closer to it. Bam! 25 gigabyte update file. Nope. Any game where there are health items that you can pick up when you run out of health items in a game. These wounds, they will not. These, I butchered that one, but yeah, that's a good one. I'm not gonna sing on the camera. No way. Oh, thank God. Good night. Me, when I remember, I told the boys I'd be right back in Discord, but then I remember I muted the mic. I guess you just forget and then you go to bed, whatever. Well, that's the end of the memes that Wheezy curated for me. But if you guys got some memes, jump in our Discord, drop some there or tag us on Twitter. I'd love to look at this. I love to laugh. So checking out memes, having a good laugh, and just sort of relaxing with that. It's a good time. It's a good time. So there we have it, reacting to some gaming memes. I definitely do enjoy this sort of content because I just, like I said, I love to laugh. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button while you're at it. And I suppose we'll see you in the next video. See you next week or see you in the next stream. And make sure to catch us every Friday, 8 p.m. Pacific, twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew. Oh, also, make sure you click one of our related videos. We got a bunch. We got years of content worth of stuff over there. Check them. Click one out. Click one, check one out. I don't know, I keep mixing up my words, but you should probably click one by now. Get rid of me talking and babbling here. Okay, bye.